Another way that I could have done it is to use something called syntactic division. When using syntactic division, you will write this, the coefficients of the polynomial are 3, -2, and 1, like this. And then here, the alpha here is equal to 1, so put it 1 here. And then what you can do is that 3 goes down, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So long division, you minus in each step. See that here we have minus, minus. For here, we actually add. So instead of minus, we add. So -2 add 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is, again, 1. And then you add them up together. 1 plus 1 is 2. And you can see that the remainder is 2. And these are the coefficients of my, here are the coefficients of my quotient. So that means 3x plus 1. And you get the same answer as before. Here, well, this is going to be question number 3 now. So this is going to be easy. So what I'm going to do is to use remainder theorem in P of -4 at this stage. That's the remainder. So -4 cubed plus 2 times -4 squared minus 11 times -4 minus 12. So we have, and note is that this is actually a factor. Now I'm going to use long division. That means 1, 2, write out the coefficients of my polynomial, -11, -12, like that. And I have a -4 here. 1 goes down. So -4, add this thing together is -2. -2 times -4 is 8. Add this thing together is -3. -3 times -4 is 12. Add this together is 0, as expected. Here I have a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation here is 1 -2 -3. And then we can continue this process if we want to, and see whether, so we can think about doing it with -1, for example. So let's try. 1 times -1 is -1. -2 times -1 is -3. -3 times -1 is 3, so I'm going to get 0. So what I have then is this P of x then is equal to, one of them is here, this one. This is x plus 4. Next is this, x plus 1. And then the last is this quotient, which is x minus 3. Thus, I'm finished. Right, now let's look at question number 4. This is question number 4 now. Is unknown. So let's try out to find out what k is. So p of 3 in this case is given to be 0. That's what we've been told. So 3 cubed plus k, 3 squared minus 3 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is 27 plus 9k minus 9 is equal to 0, or 9k plus 18 is equal to 0, 9k equal to minus 18, k is equal to minus 2. So now I know that my P of x now is going to be x cubed minus 2x squared minus x equal to 6. So now what we need to figure out is that what is the remainder when it's divided by x equal to -2, which is just going to be putting 2 into my polynomial function. 2 cubed minus 2, 2 squared minus 2 minus 6. So this is 8 minus 4 times 2, again is 8 minus 2 minus 6, so the answer is minus 8. So that's the remainder. Thank you.